Welcome back to my channel, all my dear friends and students. So, today we are going to learn how to draw a dancing figure. Yes, most of the time we find that for memory drawing, if we get any type of topic which is related to the dance or maybe some program, we find that that figure may be difficult. So, not to worry, here you will learn easiest way step by step how to draw a dancing figure. So first I am going to draw a rough sketch. So as I told you in my last videos also, you can first draw a rough or a light outline where you will see the proportion. Last time also I told you in sketches about the proportion. You want to see more about that topic, you can subscribe to my channel and see all other videos. So first a face, then a neck, from shoulder till the stomach, stomach till the legs. This is knees and legs. Now as I said, dancing figure. So first this face, then a shoulder. So one hand will be this way. So this is light. Afterwards I will make it dark. I'm just making this outline fixed with the proportion and the action of hand and the leg. So this is the another hand position. Now the stomach. If you go step by step this way, you will find that this is very easy. Now this little bit curve because a costume will be this way. Then till knees. Now I told you till here, but the position is this way, so that's why the portion will not change. So this part will come here and then legs. Now this sari, or you can say a costume, and foot. Okay, so another portion is that another leg. This is a rough outline. Now we can make more details in this. Hope you all can see this. I can show you. This is rough outline. Okay, start from head. You will get idea, but before you make the final one, everything should be light. Now again step by step I will make a details of this figure. Now the same figure which I will do it with a black sketch pen or a marker. And here you can see the complete figure. Hope you like this. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.